Hello, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. Today we are looking at Warhammer 40,000 Kill Team Soulshackle in the intense boarding actions in the 41st millennium. My gosh, this box set, we've seen plenty of previews for this box set. It is Adeptus Arbites? I always say Arbites, but it's Arbites apparently, or Arbites? I can't wait. And Drukhari, Dark Eldar. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box, and I'm very, very excited to have a look inside as there are tons of things to really enjoy. We are still within the realm of the boarding actions within this latest edition of Kill Team. So we have all the terrain board, as well as some new details as far as, like the consoles and stuff. The last one we had the cat and the equipment and stuff like that. And so with this one, the Adeptus Arbites, man, I can't say it anymore. Adeptus Arbites, as well as the Hand of the Archon, Dark Eldar Drukhari. This box contains Kill Team Soulshackle book, transfer sheet for the X-action. What is that word? X-action. Sounds like extraction, but X-action. Anyway, the Killzone Soulshackle game board, Soulshackle close quarter terrain set, includes 21 Citadel miniatures, full X-action squad kill team, 11 operatives, full Hand of the Archon kill team, 10 operatives. It's got the book, transfers, terrain, miniatures, everything you want in a box. No core rulebook, but I think the core rulebook is going to be available. Very, very cool. Looking forward to this. These models are all really fantastic. We've had plenty of preview images of the extra little details, the Adeptus Arbites, and of course the Hand of the Archon Drukhari. I'm going to grab my trusty rusty blade. This box is taped, so it's not quite cellophane, but that's okay. I like when they tape it up. Makes life a little bit easier. All right, let's dive in. Diving in. I do apologize for the sound of my froggy voice as well. I'm getting over something. In case anybody cared. Nobody cares, of course. All right, holy moly. Nothing inside this box? No, nothing. Nothing exciting anyway. We got a big old box of bits in here. So we have a big old box of bits. We have all the terrain. Oh, is this the consoles and stuff? Yeah. Now, I'm not gonna lie. I do really enjoy the console, the tactical display one. We got these new door jammers, as well as the blown out sections of the hull for when you blast through. Yeah, here we go, the tactical display. Yeah, I like the tactical display. It's really cool. It's fun. It's a fun little detail. Really, really enjoying these. So yeah, lots of detail. Wonder how many little door jammers you get. I see 2 here. Could be more on the sprues, I suppose. 2 more here. It's got another bit of the tactical display. It looks like this is a duplicate frame. I assume it's a duplicate frame. Yeah, it's a duplicate frame. So you get 2 of those consoles. Interesting. We also have our Drukhari frame. Very, very cool. To my knowledge, these models are original to this box set. I do not think these are previously available. I could be wrong though. I know sometimes with these kill teams, they give us one older, already established unit and give us new models for a new faction. But no, I get the feeling that these are all new models. I mean, I could be wrong. I'm probably wrong. I usually am. Got more of the Adeptus Arbites. Man, I can't say that anymore. I used to be able to say it. Arbites. Arbites. Anyway, love all the shields. Little doggo. Very, very cool. Yeah, lots of little holsters. All sorts of details. Let's go back to the frames. Oh man, this one's heavy. This one's got regular door sections. I think this is just a regular into the dark terrain that we first saw. I'm sure if I busted out the other frames, they look exactly the same. Look at the next frame of Arbites. Arbites, man. Arbites. Everybody's screaming at their screen right now, I'm sure. Hey, doggo. Doggo. Oh, they got handcuffs and everything like that. I mean, they're supposed to be cops, right? So I do like the pictures we see for these models. They have this kind of Judge Dredd kind of look to them, especially with the big shoulder pad. And I mean, Warhammer 40,000 has been around so long, like, there's a lot of stuff borrowed. Oh. Okay, this is an 03 frame. Okay, I gotta look at this Drukhari frame. Is this Drukhari frame an old frame? If it's got an old date on it. Geez Louise. It says 2010. Okay, so this is an old frame then. All right, so the Drukhari, it's an older frame. 2023 on this frame. This is get this little support frame here, just to give you your operatives options. Like the bird and everything like that. See, it was the bird that was throwing me off. I thought the bird was, like it was a whole new sculpt, but you just slap them onto the model. Got a bunch of different heads, unhelmeted heads for all your operatives. Some cloaks and stuff, whips, blades, choppers, apparently. I like the big bird, though. He's cool. We continue on with the frames. More of the into the dark frames here. Tons of terrain. Personally, I'm sitting on a lot of it, and yeah, I probably could put together a pretty big table for boarding actions and such. Especially since now with the Ark of Omens, that you could play just pretty much all these boarding actions, and almost like the old Zone Mortalis type of battlefields. I really like these little details. I like that. That's cool. It looks like it's like a little generator or power plant or something. All sorts of details on these. These are really fantastic. I really haven't seen anybody using these for conversions or anything like that. Little divider. You get a whole bunch of, I believe it's 28 and 25 mil bases. We have our Soulshackle campaign book, plus the instruction booklet. We also have the game board, saran wrap, nothing in here. Was there tokens and stuff? I can't remember. And we also get the all-impressive transfer sheet as well. It's not showing up for camera very well, but there are plenty of images. I really get a kick out of the chalk outline transfers here. And in fact, doing a little vignette or something like that with the Arbites, doing like an investigation or something like that, I think would be really, really cool. Just kind of a crime scene, with it taped off and that kind of thing. I think that would be really, really fun, especially, using these transfers. Yeah, I mean, you could throw them down on the board as well as, scenery and stuff, right? And along with your, detritus of, pamphlets and newspapers and stuff like that. But anywho, that is it. That is Kill Team Soulshackle. Man, there's a lot in this box. It's a lot for everybody out there, but that is it. That is Kill Team Soulshackle. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box. Big thank you to all my patrons. Without your support, this channel would not be able to continue to do what it is that I do. And so a huge, huge thank you to everybody for the continued support, and to all you brand new ones as well. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next unboxing. Or useless review. Maybe a painting tutorial. Fresh tips, just a tip. Maybe a live stream, way of the brush. Painting live stream, getting projects done. Maybe even a battle report. Who knows? Who knows? I know definitely I've got to start getting on this terrain, because, man, Like, I honestly want to do the little tactical display. I don't know why. There's something about this detail that's just, I want to paint it. And there's the Gene Stealer that also has that tactical display thing going on. And yeah, I kind of want to paint it up. Just for giggles. Just for the giggles. Anywho, that's it. I'm out of here. Enjoy the rest of your day. Go get yourself a box. Or don't. I don't care. I'm not your mom.